threats to people's way of life. Cybersecurity is the ongoing effort to protect networked systems and data from unauthorized access. On a personal level, everyone needs to safeguard his or her identity, data, and computing devices. At the corporate level, it is the employee's responsibility to protect the organization's reputation, data, and customers. At the state level, national security and the citizen safety and well-being are at stake. Cybersecurity professionals are often involved in working with government agencies in identifying and collecting data. In the U.S., the National Security Agency, NSA, is responsible for intelligence collection and surveillance activities. The NSA built a new data center just to process the growing volume of information. In 2015, the U.S. Congress passed the USA Freedom Act ending the practice of collecting U.S. citizens' phone records in bulk. The program provided metadata that gave the NSA information about communications sent and received. The efforts to protect people's way of life often conflicts with their right to privacy. It will be interesting to see what happens to the balance between these rights and the safety of Internet users.
We hope you enjoyed the video and found value in the content. We value your feedback. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to post them in the comments section or contact us directly via our social platforms. Thanks for watching.